Hello students, in the previous video I gave you informations on full employment, unemployment and its types in India. Now in this video you see about the types of unemployment in brief manner. Farming, tourism, retailing and hospitality. Are their jobs permanent? Do they work all time, especially in this quarantine period? The answer is no. We are always facing the unemployment. Now we will see about types of unemployment. Frictional, cyclical, seasonal, structural, technical, educated and disguised unemployment. Cyclical unemployment exists during the downturn phases of trade cycle in the economy. In a business cycle during the period of recession and depression, income and output fall, leading to widespread of unemployment. During this quarantine period, some of them employed, some of them unemployed, some of them getting a very low wages, then their total output will fall, lead to widespread of unemployment. It is caused by the deficiency of effective demand. So, cyclical unemployment can be cured by the public investment or expansionary monetary policies. That is, the government provide some of the facilities to the people. Seasonal unemployment. This type of unemployment occurs during certain seasons of the year. In agriculture and agro-based industries like sugar, production activities are carried out only in some seasons. These industries offer employment only during that season in a year. Therefore, people may remain unemployed during the off seasons. Seasonal unemployment happens from demand side also. For example, ice cream industry, holiday resorts, etc. This is the picture of seasonal unemployment. Next, we discuss about frictional unemployment. Frictional unemployment is when workers are jobless and looking for work in a healthy economy, whether they leave voluntarily or are fired. Frictional unemployment or temporary unemployment. Frictional unemployment arises due to imbalance between supply of labor and demand for labor. This is because of immobility of labor, lack of necessary skills, breakdown of machinery, shortage of raw materials, etc. The persons who lose jobs and in search of jobs are also included under frictional unemployment. Educated unemployment. Sometimes educated people are underemployed or unemployed when qualification does not match the job. Faculty education system, lack of employable skills, mass student turnout and preference for white collar jobs are highly responsible for educated unemployment in India. This is the picture of technological unemployment. Jobs outsourced to technology. Why are there still so many jobs in a world that could be automating more quickly? Technical unemployment. Modern technology being capital intensive requires less laborers and contributes to technological unemployment. Nowadays, invention and innovations lead to the adaptation of new techniques, thereby the existing workers are retrenched. Labor saving devices are responsible for technological unemployment. Examples for technical unemployment. Structural unemployment. Structural unemployment is due to a drastic change in the structure of the society. Lack of demand for the product or shift in demand to other product cause this type of unemployment. For example, rise in demand for mobile phones has adversely affected the demand for cameras, tape recorders, etc. So this kind of unemployment results from massive and deep-rooted changes in economic structure. In India, we are facing this type of structural unemployment a lot. This is the example for structural unemployment, decline of manufacturing, occupational immobility, geographical immobility, robotics replacing jobs, foreign competition, that rising imports, long-term regional decline, disintensive, example poverty trap, outsourcing of production overseas. Disguised unemployment. Disguised unemployment occurs when more people are there than what is actually required. Even if some workers are withdrawn, production does not suffer. This type of unemployment is found in agriculture. A person is said to be disguisedly by unemployed if his contribution to output is less than what he can produce by working for normal hours per day. In this situation, marginal productivity of labor is zero or less or negative. This type of unemployment occurs only in agriculture. Cyclical unemployment based upon the business cycle. Seasonal based upon the season oriented. Structural, mobile, and instead of using a cameras. Technical, we don't know the technology. Educated, they are educated, that's why they never select the job for low their qualities. Disguised unemployment occur only in the agriculture. Frictional unemployment, they never satisfy their present job, they are always search for new job. Thank you.